Today's dish is a quick recipe for flavorful curry clams and mushrooms with Thai lemongrass. Clams and shrimps have been some of my favorite seafood. These are the ingredients. Please look closely at the text on your screen because they are too small. Here's how to do it. Step 1. In medium-high heat, saute garlic in 1 tablespoon of oil for only a couple minutes. Step 2. Add chopped onions. Saute for another 2 minutes. Step 3. Add in the clams and cook it for about 2 minutes. Step 4. Add curry powder and cornstarch dissolved in water and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Step 5. Add in the mushrooms and mix. Six. Add red bell pepper, Thai lemongrass, and mix again. Seven. Add a small amount of water. 8. Spice up with half teaspoon of ground pepper. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of organic mushroom seasoning, but just keep it if it's not available in your kitchen. Add 1½ tablespoon of oyster sauce, then mix and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the 160 ml of coconut cream, then let it simmer. You can add more salt if necessary. Add more and taste again. This can be done in 12 to 14 minutes at longest. I think 3/4 cup of water should be exact without getting a flood of soup. But soup is amazing and I don't mind eating my rice drenching in it and eat until my heart content. I wanted to eat this meal with eggplant salad and so I'm making it, but this is not part of my recipe today. Again, this is only optional. And now I'm starving and ready to kill bowls of food. I hope you liked the recipe and thanks for watching.